Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make onion tomato chutney for idli and dosa at your home without grinding. So for this chutney, here I added 4 tablespoons of oil because for this recipe we need more oil because if we add more oil we can keep this chutney for many days. In this I'm going to add the mustard seeds. So here I added the mustard seeds, and when the mustard seeds started splattering, we have to add the urad dal. So here I added the urad dal also, and in this I am going to add the fresh curry leaves. So after adding the fresh curry leaves, I am going to add the chopped onion. So here is the chopped onion. I am going to add this one. So we have to fry this onion until it becomes golden in color, that is brown in color. So the onion started becoming light brown in color. The first thing I am going to add is the turmeric powder. So half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, so as I said, today I am making the onion tomato chutney. So here I am using the tin tomato, but if you have a fresh tomato, you can chop that one and you can add in this along with the onion. No need to grind. So I am adding this tin one. And remember guys, when you are making this chutney, take the red tomatoes which gives the nice color for this tomato chutney. So can you see the color of this chutney? The tomato should be very red. Then only we will get this type of red color. So in this I am going to add some salt as per your taste, how much salt you want in your chutney. So in this I am adding the salt as per your taste, how much salt you want. And very easy chutney, no need to grind anything. So we have to cook this one until it becomes started reducing. And here I am adding the hing powder, which is must for all the chutneys. So again I am saying, if you are using the fresh tomatoes, no need to grind the tomato. You can chop the tomato and you can add along with the onion. And if you want, you can add the green chilli. You can add like that. We love spicy, so yeah. So can you see the color of the chutney, guys? Hey guys, my chutney is ready and I put it in the container, the small container. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make onion tomato chutney without grinding at your home for idli, dosa, even with varieties of rice, yeah, and for roti. So yeah, see you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.